Trying to repair a power tilt and trim unit from a Evinrude Johnson motor, and I've got a Evinrude, Johnson 225, like an old school two-stroke, where the power tilt and trim is starting to play up. Like, you know, sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't work. It's usually these relays that, you know, after a long period of time, the terminals inside them get worn out, pitted, and eventually they start playing up and stop working. These are just $6.95 replacements from Jaycar. They're 30 amp single pole double throw, as you can see here from the diagram, and $6.95 compared to $75 for a pair on eBay, the original Johnson relays. Now the only difference is that these ones don't have on the underside a silicone covering that helps seal off the relay when you slot it into its socket. But other than that, they more than do the job. They're just 30 amp relays. So easy way, cheap way to replace them and gain back some reliability, so you don't have to cross your fingers as to whether or not your motor is going to lift up or go down. Even if you keep these as a couple of spares, they're all pretty much, throughout the whole Johnson tilt and trim range, they're all 5 terminal relays. As you can see there, you've got an 87 and an 87A, so they're dual throw. When one's on, the other's off. But that's the most important thing to consider. 30 amp relay and upwards will do. If you can find something that's carries more than 30 amps, even better. But yeah, this is a cheap replacement. Certainly $12, $13 beats paying $75.